citizens. Super Leo is here to fly. Whoa!
Did you just see that lip sync, the flawless dialogue delivery, and the perfect character consistency? With the background music and sound effects, this looks exactly like a professional Disney Studios production, and I generated it all by myself in under 5 minutes. I created this entire cinematic video from just one simple text prompt. Flova AI handled the rest perfectly. No more jumping between 5 different AI websites. Flova AI is an absolute game changer that lets you create consistent, fully automated videos as long as you want. 5, 10, or even 15 minutes long. And the best part is, you can start right now for completely free. Click the link in the description to register your free Flova AI account and instantly claim your 200 free credits so you can follow along with me. Let's dive in. Alright, let's dive straight into the interface of the Flova AI platform. If we take a look at the available models, starting with the image section, you will find top-tier options like Nano Banana Pro, Seedream 4.5, Midjourney, and ChatGPT. Moving down to the video category, the platform offers powerful models including Vidu Q3 Pro, Grok Imagine, VEO 3.1 Fast, and even Sora 2 and Sora 2 Pro. For music, we have access to industry standards like Suno and Mureka. Finally, in the narration section, you can utilize 11 Labs and Dubao. There is also a highly anticipated Seedance 2.0 model currently listed as coming soon. While all these individual tools are readily available, the true power of this platform is that you do not need to operate them manually. Let me demonstrate how to generate an entire story using a single line, simple prompt, just like the intro I showed you earlier. In the prompt box, I am typing a request to create a 60-second Disney-style motivational story perfectly tailored for children. Once we click Generate, the Flova AI video agent immediately takes over to craft a comprehensive creative brief. Before it begins the heavy lifting, the assistant will ask a few clarifying questions to ensure the final output aligns perfectly with our vision. For instance, it asks us to verify the aspect ratio. It is suggesting a 16:9 landscape aspect ratio, which is ideal for YouTube, so I will confirm and proceed to the next page. Next, it asks about the desired character performance style. I will accept the default recommendation and click Next. You also have the immense flexibility to modify these options. For example, when asked about the sound effects and music, instead of the default uplifting option, I am going to select the playful and magical vibe, and then move to the next page. Finally, it asks for confirmation regarding the start and end frames, which I will also confirm. And just like that, the AI has compiled all the necessary details into a complete, highly structured creative brief. Following this brief, the AI automatically maps out the entire production process. It begins by drafting the script, then moves on to designing the storyboard, and finally plans the visual generation, outlining exactly what will be displayed on screen. This is a highly professional and automated workflow that operates seamlessly. As we allow the AI a brief moment to process these steps, you can see our script is already prepared, complete with appropriate dialogue and scene descriptions. Simultaneously, the storyboard is being generated. Now, our storyboard is fully generated and displayed on the screen. It clearly outlines the key elements, primarily introducing our 2 main characters, a young boy named Leo and a baby blue bird. Scrolling down, you can review the specific video segments that have been meticulously planned out for the story. Furthermore, all the intricate details regarding narration and background music have been automatically integrated into this production plan. This brings us to the visual generation path. The AI details its strategy, indicating it will utilize the Seedream 4.5 model to create 2K resolution images and employ Seedance 1.5 Pro, along with audio at 720p resolution for the animation. Of course, you are completely free to instruct the AI to use different models if you prefer. Now, the platform asks how we want to proceed with the execution. We can either instruct it to execute the entire process at once, or ask it to pause at key checkpoints for our confirmation. To maintain strict quality control, I am instructing the AI to stop at key checkpoints. This way, rather than generating the final video blindly, it will pause and wait for my review and approval before moving on to the next major phase. The first step in this execution phase is generating our main assets, which are the primary characters. The AI agent immediately gets to work and quickly creates the character design sheet for our hero, Leo. Let's maximize this character sheet to take a closer look. The quality is incredibly impressive and highly detailed. If you look at the top right, there is a reply option. This allows you to provide specific instructions to alter the character. For instance, you could command the AI to change the color of his clothes, and hitting enter would immediately apply that change. For now, however, we will keep the original design. Alternatively, if you click the Edit button, you gain access to even more customization. Here, you can completely change the generation model, swapping to Nano Banana, Midjourney, ChatGPT, or Flux, or manually adjust the text prompt. For example, if I select the Nano Banana Pro model, I can tweak the resolution and aspect ratio before clicking Generate to create a new variation. Moving on, the AI has also generated our second main character, the baby blue bird. Similarly, you have the exact same options to reply, edit, regenerate, or simply download this asset directly. Since both character designs look absolutely perfect, I will instruct the AI to proceed by asking, "Okay, continue." The AI agent now analyzes the entire story to plan out all the necessary shots and begins generating the very first frame for each scene. As we wait a brief moment for the generation to complete, you can observe the workflow progressing on the right side. And just like that, the initial frames for every single shot in our story have been successfully created. Reviewing these images, it is evident that the platform has maintained perfect character consistency throughout every scene. The visual quality is remarkably professional, and it has handled the entire narrative sequence flawlessly. With the visuals ready, the next logical step is to bring these static images to life through animation. The AI presents several animation options. While we could choose to animate just the first few scenes, I am going to select Animate all shots into video. I will paste this command and hit enter. Once again, the AI agent meticulously analyzes the generated visual assets, processes the prompts, and begins the video animation phase according to the story's progression. Let's give it a few moments to work its magic. Now that the animations are complete, let's preview the very first animated frame to evaluate the quality.
Fear not, citizens! Super Leo is here to fly!
Notice how incredibly professional the lip syncing is. The character's dialogue matches the audio perfectly, delivering that high-end Disney Studio quality right out of the box. I will quickly preview a couple more clips for you. And as you can clearly see, the animation is smooth and the rendering is absolutely flawless with no noticeable errors.
Heroes don't flop, heroes fly.
Now that we have successfully generated the animated video clips, the final touches involve adding the background music, sound effects, and voiceover narration. Since I am highly satisfied with the visual results so far, I will give the command to continue. The AI instantly begins synthesizing the audio elements. As you can see on the right, it has generated the background music and sound effects tracks. Simultaneously, it uses the narration agent to produce the voiceover. Let's play a brief snippet to test the audio quality.
You don't need superpowers to change the world.
With all elements ready, visuals, music, and voiceover, I will instruct the AI to assemble and compile everything into the final video by asking him, continue. The system merges everything together and transitions us into a fully functional timeline editor. This is where you have granular control over your final product. For example, looking at the audio tracks below, I can easily lower the volume of the background music from 0.7 down to 0.3 so it does not overpower our character's dialogue. This timeline operates just like any professional video editing software, giving you the immense flexibility to trim clips, adjust timing, swap out music, or even regenerate and replace specific shots if needed. Let's take a quick look at the final compiled result.
Fear not, citizens! Super Leo is here to fly! Whoa! Heroes don't flop, heroes fly. Oh no! A little higher. You don't need wings to be safe.
You don't need superpowers to change the world. You just need a super heart.
Once you are completely satisfied with your edits, simply click the Export button in the top right corner. You can directly export this as an MP4 video. However, an exceptionally powerful feature for creators is the ability to export a .pr file. This means you can download the actual project file and open it directly in Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro for even more advanced, professional-grade editing. Flova is an absolute game changer for automating your video creation and building your online income streams faster. Click the link below to grab your 200 free sign-up credits, and be sure to use their referral program to earn up to $20 in extra bonus credits. Start your free account today and let the AI do the heavy lifting for you.